Let's start with the man's perspective. Very simple side steps, just keep your knees slightly relaxed to keep the motion fluent. Step to the right, step to the left, and now we're going to lead the lady into the dip. So with the step to the left, rotate your body counterclockwise, hips go forward, left knee is slightly bent, most of your weight should be on the left leg. Extend your right elbow to lead the lady into the pose. Then pull her back to the vertical position and straighten your knee slightly at the same time. The most important thing during the pose is to avoid leaning over the lady. Contrary, keep your back straight to create the counterweight. If you want the pose to be bigger, bend your knee more but still avoid leaning over the partner. Now the lady's perspective, let's switch sides to show this from the front. Start with the side steps, to the left, to the right, and with this step immediately rotate your body to end up with your right side to the man. Bend your right knee, left leg is straight, direct your hips forward, tilt your upper body backward looking to the left side. Straighten your knee, get back to the vertical position. During the pose, avoid pulling the man with you and leaning on him too much, try to stay within your own balance as much as you can. Let's go back to our proper direction and we're going to count this part. And 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.